Hey guys, Life in China with Patrick. We're here in the Shenzhen Wan Gongyuan. It's a park, big park here. There's a ton of people here. And I wanted to show you the views. The weather's just great. It reminds me of like San Diego. It's nice and cool. You got a nice breeze coming off the bay here. I wanted to show you something that's even really cool, technology-wise, is this. This is a Mei Tuan delivery base, and you can go. Mei Tuan is an application that you can order coffee, tea, food, medicine, you name it, you can order it and it'll be delivered relatively quickly, and you can order 24/7. But this delivery base will actually bring your order via a drone, and speaking of, one is delivering it right now. Let's watch this thing come down. I don't know what they're delivering. It's a little windy, but it's able to navigate through these trees and the wind without any problems. And there's a ton of people surrounding this. So it's a bit of a novelty, but I can tell you in the next year, you'll see these things everywhere, and it'll be like, okay, let's have something delivered. We're at the park, let's have some noodles delivered. Look at that. It's so cool. I'm gonna scoot up a little bit. All right, so what it does, it lands on that little base, and then it goes on this little, I don't know, elevator down to the opening, which is right there, and then you take whatever it is that you ordered. Ba, 喜欢吗？非常cool. Right? I asked my father-in-law if he liked it. He did. So let's see what's being ordered. It's taken back off. Wow. So this is the second one, and we've been standing here for about 5 minutes. So they probably have them kind of going around the clock for the deliveries here. We're gonna actually try one further down. That is just so cool. I wonder if America's got this, if they can deliver me some Copenhagen and a pack of, or a 6-pack of Mickey's. Corona beer or something like that. You think they'll I wonder if they do deliver it. Probably not Copenhagen. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next video.